Hey TikTok, do you struggle to organize your stickers at craft shows? We had a client just like you, an amazing sticker artist with a huge collection of stickers but limited space at the table. That's why I've designed this wooden sticker display stand. This collapsible display stand is crafted from high-quality plywood, giving it a sleek, professional look. With 24 slots, it's perfect for showcasing all your stickers in an organized, eye-catching way. Whether you're a vendor at a craft show or running a retail setup, this stand makes your life so much easier. No need to waste time and money on a DIY sticker display when you can have this ready-made, portable solution. This versatile sticker display board is sturdy and stylish, making your booth the star of the show. If you're looking to elevate your setup and draw in customers, this retail sticker display is a must-have. For more information, please visit my web store at customcraftua.com.